Their eyes are all open, and the big ones are starting to walk. But this is their first meeting. As you can see, 3 Havapoos. Where are you going, Rosebud? Oh, look at Go Big right there. Hi, buddy. Hi, Rosebud. They're starting to walk. Uh-oh, where are you going, sister? There's Susie Q. There's Go Big. And that's Tay-Tay / Murphy. That's Annie Oakley Moose. And there's Black Bart. But all their eyes are open. What was that? You confused their sister? Her little bark. But their eyes are open now, all of them. So this is their morning.